This is the before and now the after. Same space, same layout, but a completely different feel. This is a real interior design created for one of our clients, solving real layout and comfort problems you might also be facing in your own home. Using a modern Scandinavian approach with light colors balanced by muted red accents, natural wood, and simple forms, the space is reworked for better everyday living. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today, and let's design your dream home together. If your living area looks like this, no seating furniture yet, and the only features are the fireplace and TV that don't relate to one another. The goal here is to create a clear seating direction, so everything in the space supports how you sit, watch TV, and spend time together. Start by choosing your main seating piece. You can go for an L-shaped upholstered sectional sofa in muted red fabric. This sofa type works well because you get generous seating without adding extra chairs, while the muted red tone adds depth and character against the light beige walls. Layer it with throw pillows in light neutral tones to soften the color and balance the bold sofa visually. At the center of the seating area, place an oval solid wood coffee table. This shape is ideal because soft curves improve movement and safety, so the seating zone feels more relaxed and natural. On top of the table, use minimal layered decor to avoid clutter, such as a neutral ceramic vase, stacked books, and a small wooden object. Under the furniture, place a neutral flat weave area rug to visually pull everything together. Its pale tone reflects light, so the living area feels brighter and more open instead of heavy. To add brightness and visual interest, a pedal-style pendant light works perfectly for this design. Its layered form adds character, but the light color keeps the look airy and Scandinavian. Then hang full-height layered curtains on the windows. These soft, neutral curtains frame the seating area, filter daylight, and add softness, so the space feels finished and comfortable. Moving to the entertainment area, the accent wall becomes the starting point. A slatted wood accent wall is used to add texture and height. The vertical lines draw the eye upward, so the ceiling feels higher. Below it, place a low open-shelf TV console. The darker tone grounds the TV visually, but the low height keeps the view open. This keeps the TV at eye level when seated, so watching feels comfortable and natural. Only a few decor items are placed on the console, so it looks styled without feeling busy. Above, a floating shelf with underlighting adds depth to the wall. The decor here is kept minimal because the slatted wall already adds texture. For the existing fireplace, it stays as a secondary feature, but it is softened using simple neutral decor and warm red abstract artwork that directly to the sofa color, so the fireplace relates to the seating area instead of competing with the TV wall. Now, if you have instruments to display, the stair wall is a great spot. Placing your piano set here works well because the black finish contrasts against the light wall, so the piano feels intentional and designed. To turn this into a functional and visual accent, install floating wall shelves with underlighting above the piano. Style them with neutral ceramic vases and a few black objects, so the piano corner feels warm, balanced, and lived in without clutter. Every furniture piece supports the next one, so the room feels calm, connected, and easy to use every day. You can achieve this full living area setup for approximately $2,300 to $2,600. Similar items can be found on the product tags below. For this dining area, the idea of cabinetry is kept, but the sideboard and some unnecessary items are removed to keep the area light and clean. The open layout and kitchen connection stay the same. At the center of the open space, you can place a solid wood dining table. This size gives enough seating for 6 people while keeping circulation clear. You surround the table with upholstered dining chairs because soft seating makes the dining area more comfortable for longer meals. A neutral area rug is placed under the table to clearly mark the dining zone, but the light color prevents the space from feeling closed in. You add a single dome pendant light above the table to define the dining area, and the lighting language stays consistent across the space. You bring in natural greenery on the dining table and near the cabinetry because plants soften hard surfaces like wood. The corner cabinet may look empty, so you style it with simple ceramic pieces, books, and a small lamp to add depth without clutter. For the windows, you continue using full-height layered curtains because fabric softens the straight lines from the cabinetry and dining table. This is how your dining space turns from an empty space into a place where you actually enjoy sitting down every day. You can achieve this dining setup for about $1,950 to $2,250. The goal for this bedroom is to create a calm and comfortable sleeping space with a functional work and storage area, but without making the room feel crowded. For the sleeping zone, a low-profile upholstered bed keeps the space open and breathable. This helps the bedroom feel calm, balanced, and consistent. Layered neutral bedding and a textured throw add comfort without strong contrast. You can add a round wooden side table beside the bed because soft shapes support a relaxed feel but still provide daily function. A ceramic vase with plants is placed on top, so the bedside feels softer and more natural. You can place a pleated floor lamp beside the bed to provide soft lighting at night. This creates a warmer mood, so the sleeping area feels more restful. Hang minimal wall art to help frame the bed so the wall feels styled but not heavy. Neutral curtains are used to soften daylight instead of blocking it completely, but still provide privacy when needed. For the workspace, a floating desk with drawers is added to keep the floor clear, but still provide a proper work surface. Above the desk, overhead cabinets and floating shelf are used to separate storage and display. Closed cabinets hide clutter, while open shelves show light decor, so the space stays clean but warm. By limiting decor to only a few functional and soft pieces, your workspace stays clean and focused. A wood frame upholstered chair is used to provide better comfort. The light fabric keeps the chair visually soft while providing proper back support. This is how you can create a bedroom that supports rest, focus, and storage. This setup can be achieved for approximately $2,100 to $2,400. This shows that when your space is planned properly, you don't need excess furniture or random decor, so every piece has a clear purpose. And that's how your before space becomes an after that truly works for your lifestyle, with a total investment of around $6,350 to $7,100. But what you gain is a home that feels calm, functional, and intentionally designed. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.